I didn't book a hotel yet for today and for tomorrow. This looks quite affordable. I mean, this is totally insane. Free Wi-Fi. Thing, it's always fully booked. Okay, let's do it. I have to pay 80 euros tax. Tonight, I just rode just 50 minutes away from the casino. Okay, I'm a little bit late. I think it's summer vacation here. So euro is 7 euros. Unbelievable. 7 euros. Water for 5.75 €. Are they freaking kidding me? Finally in Nizza airport. I've never been here to Nizza. I've never been to Monaco. It's the first time. I have to go to find the bus station because Uber is 60 euros. I want to pay 60 euros for 40-minute ride. We are here. Blue or green line? To go somewhere here. So English. 7 euros for 24 hours. I can take the bus, I can take the tram.
Ladies and gentlemen, please keep a close watch on your personal belongings.
Finally now in Nizza. I thought let's have like a short break here at Nizza. Found a storage room. Here we go, city locker. Okay, number 38. Let's get first the supermarket. I love to visit supermarkets in different countries. Maybe let's start with some champagne. Belgium white fruit beer, nice. I love peach. Let's try this one. I hope. I'm not sure if you can drink beer on the street, but I'm a tourist. Cheers, guys. They have like spaghetti, pizza, dinner. That's smart actually. 10 euros only. But I'm gonna take a pizza. Oh, look at this car. What meme machine? Oh, there's Pepe. No fucking way, this is like a crypto car. Okay, there's Bitcoin, we have Vitalik. That's so cool. There's Trump. And of course Elon. That's so cool. Beautiful. You don't need a home if you have like this kind of boat. Travel around the world, you know. You have like, I don't know how many, 12, 15 bedrooms. This boat is nice. This is Malta flag, maybe Virgin Island. So refreshing actually, it's like an air conditioner. I'm really excited about tomorrow. Helicopter trip and then the MXC casino night and the cocktail evening. I guess at least 100 years old, but waking up here, I feel like this. I have to admit, Nizza is very beautiful. Good city to live, I guess. Actually, my idea was maybe to jump from here into the water, but I don't know how, but I always put my new shoes in danger. Let's see. So cool. Just random stones, no sand. So this is French beer, blonde. Blonde means pills, I guess, the German version. But the interesting thing is, it's like a champagne bottle actually. Quite interesting. I never have seen this before. Oh, okay. It's really like a champagne bottle. Nice. Holy shit, 8.5% of alcohol. Gonna be a small hiking tour now. Beautiful. Wow. This always reminds me about how short life is. You have to follow your passion, your dream. You only live once. Merci beaucoup. So good. Oh, look at the prices. 40 million, 3 million, almost 4. Oh, that's cheap. 2.4 million for 2 bedrooms, 150 square meters. It's very clean here, very quiet. Everywhere are cameras. Okay, almost in my apartment, guys. I'm sweating. Whew. Wow. Okay, I have a balcony. Nice. Okay, wow, it's really big. Kid Dango. That's smart. That's very smart. In Germany you get nothing. Except you have a suite, then it doesn't matter. I have a lot of pants, socks, t-shirts, polo shirt, I have everything. But I actually forgot all my my jeans. I forgot everything actually. So tomorrow I will go to Zara. I'm gonna wear this today. So apparently cooks They have very good rating. Let's try it out. It's quite cute with the car here. It smells good. Now I'm curious because I paid 26 euros. That taste. Mmm. Mmm. Look at my hand. This is huge. It looks a little bit different than like an usual pizza. I need it. Mmm. Not bad. Egg. 26 euro for eating in a kind of bistro, I would say. That's insane. Now I'm gonna do a sightseeing tour. A lot of people are like talking about, you know, Monaco is so beautiful, blah blah blah. Somehow there's no one actually. It's so quiet. I'm like, where are all these people? They have very weird streets. Left, right, straight. That's what I mean. I don't know like how to get down. The view is already impressive, I have to say. I think you can go. Wait. Let's follow the dude. There's a children playground. Lol. Now we are talking. Look at this. Wow. Wow. I wanna buy one. And Valletta is the capital city in Malta. Bell 1. And this is when you don't have so much money. Monaco has something. Just realize it doesn't matter if you have 100 million, 500 million, 1 billion. There's always someone who has more money, who has a bigger ship here. It's just fucked up actually. Okay, somewhere here is the casino. Beautiful. And now I know where I am. Here's the hot place where everybody wanna make an Instagram picture, or you see a superstar or influencer. Easy. Look at that. That's just insane. I'm inside in the casino. Look at this, guys. Wow. This is just insane. Finally at Carrefour Market. Let's get some dessert. Yeah, let's get some blue cheese here. But I think this is even better. E? What? Nutrition score E? Oh, there's my favorite one actually. Yeah, let's take this. San Agur. Wow, sushi for 10 euros. Not bad. Okay, it's bedtime, guys. I have to wake up very early in the morning. I want to show you something when you go on news on GBW, how crypto is like a leading point for South Korea market, especially for the young generation. So that was Asia Insights. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Koreans, 1 Singaporean and 1 German as the moderator. I mean, this is a very interesting article. I like that. And why it's German blockchain in the I week, and then here is the leading Web3 event in Italy. I don't understand this. I'm so late. I have to buy pants and I have to buy a polo shirt because my stuff is not dry yet. How much is this? 30. I have this actually. This is the one which is currently not dry yet. Funny. Okay, I got my stuff from Zara. The heat is killing me, guys. What's the stress? I got a sale. Nice. I mean, from that side, looks good. Like this is okay. I have to say I look very Korean. I look like a Navy guy. Yeah, thanks to Zara team here in Monaco. This was the best choice actually. Showtime, guys. Actually very good. Just came all the way back. I'm like, I'm so stupid. Did you just came today?
I came yesterday, I was staying here.
Ah, smart. I see how stressed the MXC team is, so I just bought some macaronis because I know how to feel and how stressed it is.
Oh, I like the jacket. That's really nice.
Nice.
This is good, I like it.
Good, right?
Nee, also ich bilde Firmen aus. Ja, ja, aber
There is the airport. And there's even an Airbus 380 from Emirates. Yeah, nice. Can you rap? Let's do a rap video. This is insane. This is just insane.
Someone has this?
Guys, this was absolutely amazing. What an experience. It was worth every stress and, you know, yeah, just feel relief. A very big thanks to MXC Exchange, yeah, to make this happen. I met actually a lot of Germans, so later on there's this cocktail party. We're gonna make good connections, and then yeah, and everybody was saying like this looks amazing, so I think I did a good job. You can pay with Bitcoin. Okay, on the way I just ordered a burger because I'm so hungry. And I'm quite excited to see more later on. Not so bad. Okay, somewhere. Oh, right here. Nice. Wow. Everything for only 2 hours. Bitcoin, the most misunderstood revolution of our time.
As well be the waiter like nobody else is doing. Jacket's got some vibes, I like it.
Ah, thank you. Where are you guys from, by the way?
I'm Irish.
Irish.
Yeah.
$3,342. Wow. Take one? Merci, thank you. Thank you, merci. 안녕하세요. If you want a date program, 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
Love you, 사랑해.
That's easy.
What an amazing event, guys. It was really nice. It was good, the drink was good, contact was very interesting. MXC did a really nice job. The team is really amazing. Now we're gonna go to the casino and try my luck with the boys. For free games. Cheers, Crazy John.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers, guys. What is this? Win the jackpot? Okay. Okay. Come on. What the fuck? Wait, I don't know. Multiply with something. Come on. Come on. Ooh. What a morning view. Beautiful. I mean, even the construction here, how they built Monaco is just insane. Similar to China a little bit. But somehow they made it. I have to say they have a very nice terminal too. Everything goes through Europe to end here actually. Very good advertisement. Wow, EasyJet is flying a lot. Berlin, Bolivia, London, Genève. Nice.